you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lady Lori, and you'll have to excuse the location of where I'm filming. I'm getting ready to take off and go run some errands, but I did let Sassy do a video before I finished getting our face ready, and I'm gonna go do the things I need to do, come back. I am going to be recording my BOXYCHARM Premium for December, as well as my American Influencer Beauty Bundle for November. You guys are gonna be kind of excited about that AIA because that one's pretty cool. I've used all the products in that box featured for December, and just wanna let you guys have a few, just tell you some of my thoughts and how I felt about the products and the way they work. Anyway, we have a lot of giveaways coming up. I wanted them to be announced already by the end of November, beginning of December, but things just kind of got away from us. And I wanted to let you guys know that as I am still clearing the floor of my beauty room, I do need to pull off the October, the Halloween stuff, and put up some December stuff going into January. So that's why I just decided I was gonna sit on the bed and do Sassy and then sit in my car as I'm getting ready to take off. Bottom line is, we're gonna do a giveaway in this video. The word is beauty. That's the secret word. Use it in a comment down below use it in your comments down below in the comment section. Use it in a sentence. And good luck, because I'm already preparing a bunch of boxes as I did go through and basically kind of, I don't know what they call it, cleaning out. I cleaned out a whole bunch of stuff. All the boxes I had that I was gonna unbox and film, I decided not to. I opened them all up, dumped them on the bed. I had big, huge buckets, and I had one that I'm interested in, that I wanna try those products, and I put them in that bucket. And then the bucket for giveaway that I hope you guys might be able to use and get some benefits from, in those buckets. And let me tell you something, you guys got way more than me. My girls have gone through everything, but they still left a ton of awesome things. And so good luck to the person that wins this giveaway. It's gonna be mixed. These are gonna be like mixed giveaways. I was hoping to get these things out as Merry Christmas presents to the winners. So I know that it's been several months since anybody's won anything, so it looks like everybody's gonna be able to enter. All right, you guys, so good luck with that. And beauty room. I know, it's just one word, you guys, so I'll always put it up on the screen. But I really appreciate you guys taking some time to listen to me sitting in my car. And until the next video, bye, you guys. Take care.